What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Avalanche AVAX now because something's about to happen that could quite possibly make AVAX pump. So we got to talk about this. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. I think all the supporters out there, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, this video is brought to you by marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice, but let's kind of talk about this. So a lot is happening right now inside AVAX. It's been trending literally. If you go on Google Trends, it'll say AVAX. So then that's another big thing for Avalanche. And then we have over here, we just now had a release of the course. So this is pretty big here. So it says today, Avalanche be official. I don't know why I said that wrong. But anyways, announces the release of Core, a free non-custodial browser extension engineered for users to seamlessly and securely access the full power of Web3 on Avalanche. So this is actually pretty big that they get this Core released. And also, I wanted to go over some technical analysis. I just wanted to touch on this because we've been trending a lot inside of AVAX, and we've been doing a lot inside of this. So let's go on to the next thing. So AVAX price bruised the perfect storm for a 25% bounce. Let's kind of talk about that. So you can see over here, Avalanche is up 3.8% for the last 24 hours. That's pretty good. Now 4.4% literally within the next 10 minutes, or within the past 10 minutes, we got 4.4% up. So that's pretty nice. And then over here, you can see everything else in the crypto market. You know, it's not really doing as good as Avalanche. Some of them are like Solana, and you got other ones, but like Bitcoin is not doing as good as Avalanche. Neither is Ethereum. Even if we hit the refresh button, it's not going to be all the way up there to about 4%. Actually, it's down a little bit lower. So yeah, Avalanche has been doing good above a lot of these other cryptos. But anyways, let's kind of show this. So you can see over here on the oscillator, it's saying that we are coming off of an oversold area here off of AVAX. So the fact that we've been oversold, usually after overselling, always comes a buying and a purchasing period. That's exactly what happened after here. Immediately after all that selling, we had buying. That's exactly what happened here. Immediately after that selling, we had a buying signal, and then after another selling wave, we had buying coming in, and then a heavier buying came in after that. And the same thing could actually happen right now for Avalanche, because you're seeing we came off of a purchasing period, kind of like this one back here, where this one was a huge selling wave, and then this one right here was a huge purchasing wave, which is what brought us all the way from down here all the way up here. And you got to think about it, like from the 22nd to today, which is pretty much just one day, we literally ran up a lot inside of AVAX, all the way from the lower $16 area all the way up to the lower $18 area. So that's pretty good right there. Now, I want to show something else here, because look, it does show that the buying is starting to wane down here. We're starting to get less and less buying, which is a bullish or a bearish signal. And that's exactly why we had this oversold area. But now that we're done with this oversold area, now purchasing comes back in. So what that is about to look like here is this. This is the pump that we're probably about to see with AVAX. We're probably about to go back up to the $18 area, and then we'll probably end up trying to see this higher $18 area, around $18.60. That's the next resistance for us. Now, if we are able to break past that, this is where the real bullish scenario comes in. And that is when we get all the way up here to this area. So this area of resistance is about $19.64. So the red area is supply and demand of less demand. Green areas, supply and demand of more demand. And we're seeing that we're about to go to this area of less demand. So we'll probably have some kind of resistance there and probably have a pullback back down. So this could all be a bull trap, yes, but it does look like we are set to have a nice pump coming in here for AVAX. But it could be a bull trap, so I'll let you make that decision for yourself. But anyways, over here, this over here says the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. So we are still 60% bullish, so we have that 60% chance to rise. And then over here with the 4-hour chart, which is the more long-term chart rather than the 15-minute chart, was very short-term. This is definitely showing that we are heading in that direction. So the next direction that we're heading is obviously all the way up here to this resistance up here at $21. And this is a pretty significant area. That's just the bottom half of that resistance. The top half all the way up here at $28. The mid half around 24, 25. So looking over here, though, it says AVAX price is attempting to break its 40-day downward facing consolidation. So a bounce off the $14.75 support level could trigger a run up to 21.47. So first of all, they said 14 1475 support. That's pretty much what we got down here. This is the 1475 support that they're talking about down here, right? Now the $21 area that they're talking about is the area all the way up here. So it's a huge jump. But if we do a pullback here, pretty much what they're saying, this is going to help build up that momentum to really run up all the way up to $21. So in order to get up there, we need to build momentum, and doing a pullback to that support gives us momentum because it gives a buy the dip opportunity for people. So that is a pretty good analysis there. And over here it says a daily candlestick close below 1475 will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis for Avalanche. And that's true. Like if we go below this area here, we're breaking our supply and demand. That means that we're going to have a lot more selling coming in if we break this support down here. So if we break that support, we're going to have a lot more selling. So yeah, over here it says AVAX price to trigger run up. So AVAX price looks ready for a reversal as it consolidates above a stable support level. Now AVAX price has been seeing a string of 5 lower lows since May 12th. Now, regardless, AVAX price seems to be making the best out of the worst situation. The relative strength index indicator has formed higher lows since May 12th, suggesting a bullish divergence setup. So they're saying they've been having higher lows since May 12th. If you look at it, May 12th is not that far back, but it's about around here. So this is May 12th right here, and we've been having higher lows since then is what they're saying. Now, May 12th, we were all the way up here at 2760. So this is where they're saying that right here. They said over here, regardless, the price seems making the best out of the worst situation, and it's been forming higher lows since May 12th. So the relative strength index indicator has formed higher lows. So moving on from this, the next thing that they said down here is this technical formation forecast a bullish move for the underlying asset. Therefore, investors can expect AVAX price to rally 28% and tag the immediate resistance barrier at 2147. That's pretty much where we're targeting here, and that's really the explanation behind it. And I think that we have that potential to do this. But like I said, all this could be a bull trap. Like, yes, we could run up here to this 21.97, this $22 area. But what happens when we actually get there? Do we have enough momentum to get to the next resistance? Do we have enough momentum to get to the top area of the supply and demand area of $28.38? Do we have enough momentum to get up there after we get to this level that we're trying to reach? So that's the real question, because if we don't, then it's just going to become a bull trap and we're just going to get rejected and go all the way back down to our support. And if we go down below the support, like they said before, we have a huge possibility that we just continue to go down lower, even down to like $10, possibly lower. So I know people don't want to hear that. People don't want to see that. But that's exactly what's possible if we cannot break past these levels, if we do not become bullish soon in the Avalanche. And inside of crypto altogether, then you're going to see everything go down if we can't get past certain levels. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And this video is brought to you by Marsellis.beatstars.com. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'll always be back with another video.